So the process to change wallpaper in laptop on lock screen is quite simple. Just go to your start and here in the search, click on that and search for settings. Open this settings app. Inside here, you need to go to personalization on the left. And once that is open, scroll down a bit. And here you can see lock screen. Click on that. So here you will see the default wallpaper that Windows has on the lock screen. And if you want to change that, you have multiple options. First, you need to open this up like this. Now, by default, it would be Windows Spotlight. You need to either select Slideshow or Picture. Picture in case if you want to show just one picture, and Slideshow if you want to show multiple pictures. Now, these are some of the pictures already available, but you can always go and click on Browse Photos. In here, just go and select any photo from any folder. And for example, I change to this, but you can always change to custom photos as well. So that's it. Now, if you go to your lock screen, you will see this new wallpaper. I hope this video has helped you out to change the wallpaper in laptop on your lock screen. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.